Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can accept credit card payments on your Squarespace website. Now, on Squarespace website, you can accept two kinds of payments. I think you can accept PayPal and then credit card, and then also Squarespace box, I think the name is. But the way you can start accepting payments is that you need to go from the UI of your Squarespace website here, right? And then you have to go on the settings here on the gear cog. Now from here, you just want to go to the selling section, and on the selling section, you want to go to the payments option. Now, as you can see here, there's three payment options. There's Stripe, so connect Stripe to let customer with pay with all major credit cards, Apple Pay, Afterpay, and ClearPay, and then PayPal, and then Square. Yeah, so Square. Connect Square to let customer to pay in person with cash and credit cards. But we want to use Stripe, right? So once I click this button, it'll open up a UI here, and you just have to log in with your Stripe account, and then it'll be connected, and it'll allow you to pay with credit card. So I'm just going to click on Stripe. It'll open up a UI here. Give it a second, and then you just have to log in with your Stripe account here. I think you also have to use an authenticator app from Google. But besides that, you just have to log in, and then it'll be connected.